Hello YouTube friends, Alicia here. It is after midnight, but I couldn't sleep, so I figured there was no point in lying in bed, and I may as well do a video of a journal that I have completed. So this is the other Pinup Girl and Coffee Girl journal, Pinup and Coffee journal that I have made. It is 2 signatures. I was originally going to do a 3 signature journal, but as I said in my last video, there was no way I was going to fit 3 signatures into the book cover I wanted to use. So I just made 2 journals. I made one with the book cover and then one out of cereal box, and it's chunky. It has almost a 2-inch spine. No. A 1 in... I cannot remember. Anyways, it doesn't matter. I just added this. It says forever on it. Somebody gave it to me. I don't know where it came from. Forevermore on it. And then this is just a clip I had. And then on the spine, I stamped on some cotton that was coffee dyed. And just added that. And then this is from Paulette, her kit, and then I just added some vintage lace, a hitch post fastener, and scrapbooking paper. And then we go inside. It is still very stiff. I've had a really hard time getting the doily to glue down, but I think I'm gonna put something up here that says "and the story begins" or something. And then I have scrapbooking paper, and at the beginning of each signature, happy girls are the prettiest girls from the kit. There's 2 kits. One of them is from Antique Papery. The coffee kit's from Antique Papery. I added a bunch of ephemera I made and then cut-offs of the paper. This is Tsunami Rose. Just an envelope that I turned into a pocket. So up here is vintage writing paper. This is a postcard from the kit, a little tag I've had, and a little embellishment I made from an image with the kit. Some ephemera I made with some stamps. This is one of those cards that fold out into writing. It's vintage doily. I really wish this was just a little bit higher. I have my phone on a tripod because I found an adapter for my tripod at the dollar store. Thank you to Tina on YouTube. She showed it, and it's actually for a selfie stick, but it works for your tripod, so that's great. Oh, it's, I think, $4 instead of $10 on Amazon. Some stamps I did on some fabric. This opens out, but it's paper clipped down. These are from Amy Joy, who used to be Happy Chick Creations. I don't know what she is anymore. It's been a long time since I've bought anything from her. Just some embellishments I've made. This is just book page that I've sewn around. This is whatever these are, file tab cards. I'm just going to show you the ends. There is some lace on it because I love lace, and I always have this thing with I want to put lace in my journals, and I never end up doing it because I just don't. So to this journal, I decided if I want lace in it, I have to be the one to put it there. Go figure. More stamping. This is Antique Papery. More stamping. This is Graphic Fairy, just printed on coffee dye paper. Move the tripod a little bit. It's a mini tripod that my brother bought for me years ago, and I've never used it because I had no way to use it. This is Taylor Made It Journals. Just stuck that in there. Coffee and Grace coin envelope. Vintage cards from Current that I there we go, glued down. This is a postcard from the kit. And then a die cut that says hugs there. And then more stamping. This is just some wrapping paper and stamping on the back. Oh, this is, I did it like a little belly band. That's what I did with this. But it seems, hang on, so I see something. Oh, it's not glued down all the way. But it's like a belly band, but apparently I forgot to glue the corner here. So I can like tuck something in this if I want to. It was just, I was playing. A vintage envelope on this page. I need to move faster. This video is going to be really long. As you can tell, I've had my stamps out a lot lately, so I've made a lot of ephemera. Camera that I just glued down, a little camera image, more stamping, copy dyed paper, made those embellishments, made that, a little stamping collage. So as you can see, there's tons of embellishments, tons of stamping, neither of which I normally do, but I love stamps. And so it was time to use them. I made this to match. And my coffee stamps are probably some of my favorites. Pocket there. Another little collage that I made with my coffee stamps. Love this paper. It is EK Success and it's old, but if you know me, I can care less whether it's new or old. These are collage pieces, a collage piece I made forever ago, and this is just something I made a number of years ago. It was actually an ice cream cone and I cut it down to make it like a cupcake journaling spot. So it's not that great, but it was cute. And it'll be a cute journaling spot. I like this page. Another camera image. This is handmade paper and there's like straw in it, which is cool. Little cupcake. This is just a 3-pocket like envelope type thing that I made. Oops. This is actually printed at Walmart on photo paper. I made those a while ago as well, but I just thought the colors went. Oops. This is parchment paper. So I have, they're thick. They're like 25 pages in each signature. Just because I wanted to keep adding things. So I did. And it's for me, so it doesn't really matter how thick it is. If it's too hard to work in, that's my own fault. But I mean, I'm going to be adding pictures, which I know makes it thicker, but it's not so much that I want tons of writing in here. I like this. A collage. And then a collage on a paint chip that I did. and another rose envelope that I've made. Another little collage. Another current card. I think those are so pretty. These are vintage. I don't know what they're called or what they're used for, but it folds out. They're perforated, but just a fabric flip. Choose this first, then coffee. Another one of the stamped embellishments I've made. Oh, happy day. And a journaling card. So I've decided if I always fill my journals this much, I would have less of a stash of stuff, which would be great. However, I don't know what I would do with a bunch of journals this size. This is a pocket, and there is acetate here. It's just a camera die cut because I have a really hard time selling my journals. So, you can't even see that. Sorry. I don't know. That's kind of where I'm at with that. I haven't really been making tons of journals, except for ones that I know I can use or gift. Because, like I said, I have a hard time selling them. I wish I didn't, because I would create a whole lot more journals if I could sell them. But I have a hard time getting views on my channel, so it's really hard to sell journals when you can't even get views. But anyways, and obviously there's a couple more empty pockets. Sorry, you're out of frame again. I know a lot of this video is probably going to be out of frame on one page, but I'm not going to redo the video. Yeah, it is what it is. A library pocket with a library card, the back of the journal, and then of course it just closes like that. I might add some metal book corners, because it is just cardboard, and cardboard does wear fairly quickly if the journal is being used, and I have them, so I may as well use them. The other thing I could do is just add metal corners. They don't fold around, they're just metal, because I was going through some of my stash today and I remembered I had them, or I came across them, so using up those might be a good idea too. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll talk to you all soon.